Most new business owners don't fail because of a bad idea. They fail because of a few critical mistakes that are made from the start. Mistakes can cost you thousands of dollars. They can expose you to lawsuits, incredible amounts of stress, in some cases force you to close your business before it ever has the chance to grow. Today I'm going to show you what these mistakes are and the one solution that will help you start your business the right way. Today's video is sponsored by Tailor Brands. Tailor Brands is a business builder with everything you need to guarantee your business is set up for success. With Tailor Brands, you can avoid the top mistakes that business owners usually make when they are forming their business. Forming your business with Tailor Brands is incredibly easy. Form your LLC in just a few minutes. Enter your state, check the availability of your desired business name, and answer a few simple questions about your business details, employee plans, and what your business needs. Join the free 12-week business coaching program. Expedite your LLC processing time, and don't forget to order your LLC formation kit with all of your important legal documents and tax paperwork beautifully organized and shipped to you. Start your business the right way with Tailor Brands. Click the link down below and form your LLC with Tailor Brands and get 35% off. Number 1 is treating your business like a side hustle. Many new entrepreneurs start their businesses and look at it incredibly informally, as if they're running something on the side in order to generate extra income rather than forming a business. Now, there's a huge mindset difference here that can impact not only how you function as a business owner and the effort that you put into running it, but it can also lead to tax, legal, and financial ramifications due to this mindset and the mistakes made early on. When you start a business with the mindset of it being a side hustle, you may start improperly. You may not take the time or effort to form your business legally with proper formation documents and legal processes. This is going to mean that these mistakes will eventually catch up to you later in the form of legal ramifications and costly penalties, fees, and other liabilities that can affect the longevity of your business. This can also impact your profitability because you will be forming something that you see as not permanent and on the side. You form something informally on the side as a side hustle, your mindset around it shifts. You are no longer putting into it that formal effort that you make when you choose to start a business the right way. Forming your business the right way, making sure that your legal paperwork is set and that you have formed it properly with growth in mind, is going to mean that you are ready to invest the attention and energy to growing that business into something sustainable and profitable in the future. Entrepreneurs may start something casually, make mistakes early on, and not do things the right way intentionally with the mindset that they will fix these things later on down the line. This can cause a lot of potential legal, financial, and tax mistakes. This can lead to poor structure in your business, financial, legal, and tax implications, mistakes, and penalties, and shortening the lifespan of your business and decreasing your overall profitability. These mistakes can really come back to bite you later on and can be quite costly and massively increase the stress experienced as a business owner. Your business needs guidance, intention, planning, and direction. You want to make sure that you set yourself up with a strong foundation from the beginning and a mindset for growth. Tailor Brands allows you to do this by guiding you through the process of what you need in order to start your business the right way. Starting your business the right way on a proper foundation, you are going to make sure that your business is set up legally, that you are being financially responsible, and that all of those confusing steps along the way that you might be doing wrong with the mindset to fix later are actually done properly the first time. Mistake number 2 is starting your business without protection. Now, when you start a business, you're going to need to choose a business structure. Many new business owners opt to start their business as a sole proprietor. A sole proprietor means that you and your business are one and the same. This means that all of your business financial aspects, legal liabilities, and obligations all pass through to you as a person. Some people might be okay with this legal structure. Having a sole proprietorship does not offer you any protection of your personal assets from your business liabilities. In order to protect your personal assets and protect you from any potential lawsuits or legal consequences or financial obligations that your business may have, you will need to form what is called an LLC. What this does is it forms a separate business entity. Unlike a sole proprietorship where you and your business are one and the same, an LLC creates a separate business entity, completely separate from your personal self. This means that your personal assets and your business liabilities are separated. It provides a great deal of protection for those of you that have personal assets that you do not want affiliated with your business liabilities. LLC can seem complicated and confusing, which is why many business owners skip forming an LLC altogether. They may start the process or start the research on how to perform the process, but then get quickly overwhelmed and confused and not actually form an LLC. This leaves their personal assets completely unprotected. This is where Tailor Brands comes in, because Tailor Brands is going to allow you to form your LLC, to create a separate business entity and keep your personal assets protected from your business liabilities. Forming an LLC with Tailor Brands is fast, easy, and simple, and they will be able to guide you through the process so that you can ditch the overwhelm and rest assured that your personal assets remain protected from your business. Mistake number 3 is mixing your business and personal finances. It's incredibly important that you separate your personal finances and your business finances. If you are a sole proprietor, you are not required to separate your business and personal finances. However, just because you are not required to do so doesn't mean that you shouldn't. Separating your personal and business finances is going to give you a much clearer, more organized, and more thorough picture of the money in and out of your business. This is going to help you to keep track of accounting, bookkeeping, and tax deductions. It's going to give you the ability to run reports and get a clearer picture on your business financial standings. Unlike with a sole proprietorship, when you form an LLC, you are required to separate those business and personal finances. This is a good thing because you do not want to mix your personal and business financial records. It's going to be so much easier to track your business deductions to lower that taxable income later on. It's going to be easier to get a clear picture financially of where your business stands, where the money is coming in, going to, and how you can plan for future financial expansion of your business. And it is going to help you to always be able to generate reports, run snapshots, and get a better understanding of how your business stands financially. Tailor Brands allows you to handle key aspects of your business, such as integrating your business banking, bookkeeping, taxes, licenses, permits, and compliance. Everything you need in order to keep your business financials and other documents organized, protected, and confident is available within the Tailor Brands dashboard. So why should you use Tailor Brands to form your LLC? Tailor Brands solves all 3 of these mistakes in one easy, all-in-one solution. It provides you not only with the benefits of forming an LLC, but doing so quickly and easily with their professional guidance. Using their professional services to form your LLC is going to give you peace of mind that does not come with piecing it together on your own. You are going to know that your business formation documents have been handled properly and that you are now able to focus on growing your business. This is going to allow you to achieve your business goals faster and smarter, and you will always know that your business is one step ahead of the game. And when you form your LLC with Tailor Brands, you are able to get all of your LLC formation documents as well as helpful tips in one beautiful, organized binder. Finally, I want to show you a brief tour of the Tailor Brands dashboard. Your Tailor Brands dashboard features elements such as getting business insurance, helps you to check on required licenses and permits, and easy invoices and bookkeeping. Track your profit and loss, mileage, expenses, income, and taxes. The helpful AI tool will answer your business questions and help you to plan. And you can schedule a free consultation with an expert when you need help. Create a professional logo, set up a domain and website, and get access to legal